Hello trader, looking at dollar CAD, let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, first of all, looking at bigger picture, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in this market, and then we'll be looking at the lower time frame to see potential trading opportunity. So looking at monthly on dollar CAD, we can see that this market is long-term bear market. Starting from here, we can see that there was a significant break from this level with a stronger momentum. Followed by, we can see there is a pullback here on the monthly. Now, this current monthly price action with the NFP, after testing this 10 EM on the monthly, we can see the price has got that rejection back again. Now, if we look at the trending market structure in this instrument, we can see that it's a bear market followed by this pullback to the upside. And currently, we can see from the monthly, the price has crossed that high, grabbed the liquidity, and then got the rejection back below with this momentum here. Now, that being said, if we look at this support level here on the monthly, we can see the price as we have seen the previous month's pullback. This month, we can expect for the market to potentially break that low here. And that break, we may see the price potentially come back to this support level. So therefore, on the lower time frame, we can expect dollar CAD to remain bearish at least to 150, 160 pip downside. Now, looking at the weekly chart here, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly price action where from this level, there is a sharp breakdown followed by this pullback. And you can see another drop here from the weekly perspective on dollar CAD, followed by this pullback to the upside. This is an important level of resistance here on dollar CAD, and also the resistance here, and back to back two significant resistance. The price has crossed that high from the weekly perspective. Previous week we saw that there is a rejection crossing both 10 and 20 EMA, and the market again started to drop back down here. And therefore this week, as we are almost at the end of the week, we can see the bulls couldn't make that high. Instead, the price started to drop back down again to this weekly support level. Looking at daily, here we can see that from the daily, this is the daily move, which one single bounce back to the upside. In previous news on dollar CAD, we saw the price has moved back to this key level of resistance. After creating an overextension to the upside, the market started to break below here from the daily, expecting this market to continue to drop here to this support level. Now, if we look at the intraday time frame from the 4-hour chart here on dollar CAD, you can see that this is where there is a sharp drop from this level, followed by sideways movement. We have seen that break of structure. The market is currently trending and creating series of lower high and lower low, which bringing that price back below here. And as we have seen from the 4-hour chart, the market is maintaining the downtrend. There is an order block here in that market, which the price may potentially come back here to this support for potential retest. So therefore, if we look at the 4-hour chart here, we can see that back to back 3 sessions, the price has crossed that high, which has grabbed that liquidity, giving a probability for the market to remain bearish in that area to create a new lower low. So this is the lower time frame price action. We will be looking for potential entry on dollar CAD. As soon as we will find suitable entry confirmation on dollar CAD, we will be looking to sell with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.